You're running a growing business. Clients are coming in, operations are expanding, but your day keeps disappearing into documents. The problem is the documents, patient files in clinics, case papers in legal offices, and invoices, forms, and contracts in small businesses. So, what's the struggle? Before any decision can be made, someone has to go through every file, extract the details, and organize the information manually. What starts as a quick task turns into hours of sorting, copying, and double-checking, slowing the entire business down. DeepKnit AI automates the process. It reads incoming documents, extracts key data, and organizes information automatically. The outcome? Healthcare providers get time to focus on patients, legal teams on cases, and business owners on growth, and not data entry or documentation. DeepKnit AI helps small businesses turn document clutter into streamlined workflows. Visit deepknit.ai to automate your business today.